Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Cloudflare CDN on SiteGround. Just tap on my Sword button. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And how do I activate a Cloudflare CDN on SiteGround? And to activate a Cloudflare for your website, log into your Cloudflare account and flow the activation process. So after you will have to do not have if you do not have a Cloudflare account yet, you can register one, and instead of Cloudflare you can use your CDN that can be activated from sites tools speed CDN in a SiteGround. And when this option is enabled, every visitor for your website will see a processing page for several seconds. During that time, a Cloudflare will verify and confirm if the hit is indeed coming from a legitimate visitor and not from a bot. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.